Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust ringtone volume on iPhone 16 Pro. To adjust the ringtone volume, you can go into Settings and Sound and Haptics, and here you can adjust the ringtone volume. You can also enable changing ringtone with buttons, so from now on, when it's enabled, you can change ringtone volume with buttons, like that. But it will work only if you're not currently playing media, like music or videos. Because if you're currently playing music or videos, then it will adjust the media volume, not the ringtone volume. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.